Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we'll explore Yotpo's Advanced Filter feature. My name is Yakov, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for the last 2 years. Did you know that shoppers who can find relevant reviews faster are more confident in their purchasing decisions? That's why Yotpo's enriched content and reviews filters are here, to help you enhance the shopping experience by making your reviews more accessible, actionable, and packed with valuable information. Now let's do a walkthrough of the Reviews widget demonstrating these filters in action. We'll go to Doc Martens, Reviews, go over to the Reviews widget, and we can see 4,300 plus reviews. And here we can filter for quality and see the matching reviews relevant for that filter. These are the filters that AI created from 4,300 reviews, which is a lot. And now I can filter by what interests me the most. Here's a closer look at the types of filters that we offer. Smart Topics, AI-powered filters that dynamically identify key themes mentioned in reviews, such as fit or quality. Free text searches to find specific terms or phrases highlighted within reviews. Star ratings to filter reviews by specific star scores from 1 to 5 stars. Review types to focus on reviews with photos, videos, or text-only content. Custom questions to filter by attributes like skin type, body type, or age, based on responses collected in your in-mail forms. And lastly, country and variant to filter reviews by country and variant. Plus, Yotpo enriches reviews with valuable information, whether the review was incentivized or whether the buyer is verified. This enriched data is displayed directly on the Reviews widget. So why does this matter? Because when shoppers visit a product page, the first thing they seek is relevant reviews. Yotpo's review filters make this process effortless by allowing shoppers to quickly find the insights that matter most. These filters build trust, boost confidence, and turn browsers into buyers. Now let's take a closer look at why reviews filters are so impactful. Well, for one, they make reviews actionable. Only 5% of shoppers move to the second page of reviews, so having filters ensures customers see relevant information right away. It also saves time for shoppers. Customers can filter by Smart Topics to find information like fit, quality, or specific attributes without combing through dozens of reviews. It creates a tailored experience with filters based on customer attributes, such as skin type or body type. This helps customers see reviews from shoppers just like them. NLP-driven insights. Yotpo's algorithm analyzes reviews to identify frequently mentioned topics, presenting them as dynamic filters. It continuously adapts to new emerging topics, enhancing product discovery and boosting conversions. And lastly, boosting of conversion rates. Filters improve decision-making, leading to a 38% lift in conversion for fashion and accessory, and a 15% lift in conversion for other industries like home, garden, and kids. Now let's review a quick case study from Dr. Martens, enhancing the shopper confidence with smart filters. So Dr. Martin needed to find a solution to a challenge: to prominently display reviews throughout the customer journey. Their goal was to increase buyer confidence and drive conversions by making relevant customer feedback easily accessible. And here's the solution. They implemented Yotpo's smart filters to enable shoppers to sort reviews by key criteria like fit, quality, and style. And as a result, they improved accessibility to relevant reviews by boosting shopper confidence. They've enhanced the shopping journey by connecting products with customer preferences and social proof. And what do our customers have to say about advanced filters? Well, take it from Laura Lee Baird, the head of marketing and brand specialist at Revelry, who said that with the implementation of smart filters, we were able to solve a major pain point for our customers. They can now filter reviews based on their personal needs. Customers can view fit, quality, and styling information before purchasing without having to comb through 70 plus reviews, making them confident in our brand and our product. Advanced filters are available for premium and enterprise plans and currently support English language reviews. Please also note that certain filters, such as topic filters, require a minimum number of relevant reviews to be displayed. Filters are also available on SEO pages and the Reviews tab, excluding smart filters and filters by country or variant. Variant is only available for Shopify customers at the moment. To summarize, here's a short recap. Yotpo's review filters enhance the shopping experience by helping customers find relevant reviews quickly and confidently. This builds trust and boosts buyer confidence and leads to higher conversion rates. How do we do it? Through filters that allow shoppers to sort reviews by star ratings, review types, topics, country variant, and custom questions. Yotpo also enriches reviews with valuable information such as country and variant. And as a result, we see an increase in conversion rates and improved shopper satisfaction with faster access to relevant reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video in the series.